Hello and welcome back to Code Float. In this quick tutorial, you will learn to show desktop icons after your very first installation of Windows. So let's start by right-clicking on Desktop. Choose Personalize. From here click on Themes. Now, from right side, under Related Settings, click on Desktop Icon Settings. From here, select the icon you want to display on desktop. You can also change icon from Change Icon. Finally click on Apply, and click on OK. Now, you can see desktop icons. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.